Once your tomatoes have grown to about 40 centimeters in height, it's time to lay them down. This typically happens around 2 weeks after they reach this height. To achieve the best results, pick a sunny afternoon for this task, and make sure the plants have relatively low moisture content. It's important to avoid watering the plants for at least 3 days before you lay them down to help lower their moisture levels. When you're dealing with the side branches, don't throw them away. Instead, trim off any extra leaves because the branches with flowers are more likely to grow strong and healthy. By planting the tomato branches horizontally, you're improving their ability to root effectively, which increases their chances of survival and results in more tomatoes. Make sure to water them right after planting to keep the soil nice and moist. Over time, your tomatoes will begin to flower and produce fruit, giving you a bountiful harvest of large, ripe tomatoes to enjoy.